Hello, and today I'm gonna show you how some quick Beam.ng tutorials for this game. And if you're wondering why the graphics are so low and my frames are a little slow, um, I'm playing on a Asus F510 UA with a standard graphics card. Well, not standard, but pretty fit. Okay, so the first tutorial I want to show you is how you can teleport your car by simply pressing Control and C, Shift and C. Not Control, Shift C. So then you can use your right-click mouse to move around and use the WASD keys to move. And you see in the top left corner it said use left shift to go faster. So yeah, it just teleports you way faster. Now, if you see where you want to land, then just press F7. Okay, now I'll show you a quicker way to spawn cars. All you need to do is press Control E, and you have a semi-variety of cars, but I installed a ton of mods, so. And if you press Control W, you get the vehicle customization tab or screen. And if you want to change something, you see this arrow pointing to the right. Click on that, and you have all these other things you can change, like the short bed. I could change it to the flat bed. See, just easy like that. And if you respawn by pressing R, it doesn't affect. Now, another tip I want to show you is how you imagine like you're driving, and then so you accidentally crash, okay, and you want to spawn where you are now. So to do that, all you have to do is press Control and R together. But I suggest your vehicle is upright before you do that. And if you want to spawn in an AI tool, you have to find the one. It looks like 3 tabs. It says Customize UI Apps. Click on that. Now, you see the plus sign here? Click on that. So you add an app. And you have a variety of apps to put on your screen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something from this video, and thank you. Goodbye.